if the tangent at any point P on the curve is given this equation, the tangent at any point P to the curve meets the coordinate axis at A and B. Show that AP is to PB is constant. AP is to PB is constant. So first calculate slope of the curve, that means dy by dx. After that one, using slope and point, calculate equation of the line, tangent line, y minus y1 into equal to m into x minus x1. So tangent equation is over. Next calculate A point. A lies on the x-axis. So put y value 0. We get x value. B lies on y-axis. So x value 0. So put x value 0 in the tangent equation. Calculate y value. After that A and B, we calculate AP is to PB. Okay. First A point and B point. Listen. First take log on both sides. Log x power m, y power n, log a power m plus n, log mn formula, log m plus log n equal to log a power m plus n. M log x plus n log y, m plus n log a. Power becomes to coefficient. Differentiate with respect to x. M derivative of log x 1 by x. N derivative of log y 1 by y into dy by dx. Derivative of any constant equal to 0. We want this dy by dx. N by y into dy by dx. Plus term becomes to minus term. So dy by dx equal to minus m by x. Bring this one into RHS. So take its reciprocal. Y by n. So slope m equal to dy by dx at px1 y1. So minus m y1 by n x1. This is the slope of the tangent line. Slope of the tangent line. Next, equation of tangent y minus y1 m value minus y1 by n x1 into x minus x1. Take cross multiplication. N x1 y minus n x1 y1 m minus m y1 x plus m x1 y1 m x1 y1. So take this x term LHS m y1 x n x1 y equal to, bring this one into RHS m x1 y1 plus n x1 y1. So finally m y1 x n x1 y equal to, take x1 y1 common, then we get m plus n. So this is the equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent is over. P x1 y1. After that one, once again, first calculate dy by dx. Take log on both sides. Log mn formula. Log m plus log n. M log x. N log y. M plus n log a. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of log x 1 by x. Similarly 1 by y into dy by dx. Then m value. After that one, equation of the tangent y minus y1 m into x minus x1. Take cross multiplication. X term y term equal to constant. X1 y1 common, so remaining m plus n. So you calculate first a point. A point lies on x axis, so put y value 0. We get x value. See, put y equal to 0. Put y equal to 0. So m y1 into x plus 0 m plus n x1 y1. Both sides y1 cancel. So x value m plus n x1 by m. Therefore capital A point m plus n x1 by m comma 0. Again calculate B point. B lies on the y axis. So put x equal to 0, x value 0 plus 0 plus n y1 n x1 equal to m plus n x1 y1. Both sides x1 cancel. So y value m plus n y1 by n. So capital B point 0 comma m plus n y1 by n. So A point is over, B point is over. Next we calculate AP is to PB. Write A point, M plus N, x1 by M, comma 0. Next write P point, x1, y1. Next write B point, 0, comma M plus N, y1 by N. A point, P point, B point. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. This is x3, y3. So AP is to PB. AP is to PB. x1 minus x2 is to x2 minus x3. So x1 value M plus N x1 by M minus x2 value x1 into x2 value x1, x3 value 0. So take LCM. M x1 N x1 minus M x1 is to x1. M x1 cancel. What are the remaining values? N x1 by M is to x1. x1 cancel. N by M is to 1 is nothing but N is to M. N is to M.